Graceland. We are here to film the gravesite of Lisa Marie and the new exhibit of Elvis. So we're really excited. Bringing that to you guys. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe with the notification. Don't forget to like and comment. I am totally for practice and right here. She still has a show. I say, you know, you guys, this is our 4th or 5th time coming to Graceland. Unfortunately, this time is a little more tragic because Lisa Marie is now passed away. We'll pay homage to her and then go look at the new exhibit that they have. It's always somber to come over here and see the meditation garden, and now we have a new addition with Lisa Marie over there, the one on the left. It's pretty tragic. Her death, I think, surprised everybody. Here she is, laying next to her son Benjamin. It's pretty sad. So if you remember, when we came here for Elvis Week, we had all these wreaths and everything. We're thinking about doing one this year. I'm not sure yet. But that completes our tour for here. We're gonna go over to the main complex. Guys, they completely changed this. This car's still here. You have his bike over there, and then you have some more of his cars. Wow. Incredible. This caddy right there, the pink one. Yeah, they changed a lot of this. Wow. So because we're here after her death, it kind of makes sense to pay tribute to her a little bit. She was the daughter of their king after all. This one has grown a lot. And that's some of her childhood stuff. There. They have video playing in the background too. It's really neat. So this is the exhibit we came here for. It's the making of Elvis, the movie. Such a great movie. I know some of it may not be completely accurate. Talking to a couple of the people that we've met along the way, who've known Elvis and the Smith family. Gladys wasn't a drunk. as I said. God, I wish I could have came here when it was red. Oh well. Look at this. This is what we came here for. This right here. Amber and I have talked about how Austin Butler, his voice probably will never go back to the same like he used to have. It's more low, it's slower talked, it's everything. Over here too, some of the concept designs. It's really neat. Wow. This is what Austin wore. That's crazy. Such a great movie. More right here. It's for the carnival. Wow. That's crazy. We found a shirt like that over at Sun Records. It's really neat. Wow. Tom Hanks in his fat suit. Oh, some of the dolls that were made for the film. That's cool. And some more of the costumes and everything. That's really cool. Be a part of the show. We can be part of the show. Like, woo! Elvis! Look at all this. That's crazy. That's really neat. They do have some VIP tours that you can do with this, but we didn't do it this time. And as you leave the making of the Elvis exhibit, you get hit with the Memphis recording service, also known as Sun Records. So this is what it would look like when you walked in. You had a receptionist. I have yet to see this video. I've been looking everywhere for it. So if y'all know where to go, I think the show is called Sun Records. I think, I'm not sure. But if you can know where it is, let us know, because we really want to watch it. Now, I highly recommend watching our Sun Records full tour. This is what it kind of looks like. Almost spot on, actually. So as we leave, we gotta go to the gift shop, obviously. Amber might like that one. I think everything's the same from Elvis Week. We have these shirts here too. So, I'm about to leave, but Vernon's is actually open today. Definitely gonna hit this up. Sucks that Amber's not here with me, but we'll see how good it is. So for $22, you can get the meat sampler. It comes with brisket, chicken, looks like pulled pork, and rib with 2 sides and a roll or cornbread. Cornbread doesn't have any kernels in it, which is good. And then you get a drink, all for $25. So we'll give it a try. We'll see how good it looks. Looks pretty good. Smells pretty good. All right, I'm back in the car. Back in the U-Haul. I'm on my way back to Florida because obviously you guys know that we've moved down to Florida officially. Yeah, it was actually really neat. I wish there was more for the Elvis tribute or movie exhibit. They had a lot of the costumes and stuff like that, which is kind of cool, but not a lot of anything else. The gravesite of Lisa Marie, very somber. Everyone was very just, you know, how it always is at the meditation. I try to get as much with Lisa Marie as a baby and all that kind of stuff too, and add it. Vernon's Smokehouse, really, really good. I got the sampler. The cornbread, it's really cakey. I'm not a big fan of cakey. I like the muffin-ish type, so I probably would have gotten the roll next time. Mashed potatoes, really good. Mac and cheese, fantastic. Everything else is really good. They also sell that barbecue sauce. But other than that, guys, everything was pretty much the same. They did make some changes to the cars. They arranged some of the cars, brought some new ones out, took away some old ones. But everything else is the same. If you made it this far, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Don't forget to subscribe up here, look at our next our previous video, and we'll definitely see you guys next time. Bye, guys.